Don't buy it because they are pushing it to you. Buy it because you know that it's going to work for you. And hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tessie. You're welcome. Please subscribe before leaving. I'm a licensed esthetician. I live in Italy. On this channel, I talked about skincare, everything that has to do with beauty and massage, everything. So on this video, I'm going to be talking about acne. I've already talked about on my previous videos. I talked about different types of acne because a lot of people don't know the type of acne they have. A lot of people think that acne is acne, and when they see other people that are suffering from acne, they would think that the acne that the other person is suffering is the same as the one they are suffering, not knowing that there are different types of acne and those acne has different treatments. So on my previous videos, I talked about that, how to identify your the acne type of acne you have before going into treatments or before spending your money buying the product that is not adapted to the kind of acne, the type of acne that you have. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what I would recommend as a esthetician, how to treat acne. So the first thing I'm going to recommend is for you to look for detergent, which is cleanser that is adapted to the type of acne that you have. Don't look for cleanser that is very aggressive to your skin. You need to look for cleanser that is skin similar, that is pH acid. Sorry guys, you might be hearing some accent or me using some words that you don't understand. That's because I studied in Italy, so most of my words actually comes, I actually switch Italian words in when I talk here on my channel. So yeah, so you need to buy a cleanser that is a pH acid, the similar, something that is not very aggressive when you're suffering from acne prone skin. Okay, so that is something that you need to look out for. After identifying the type of acne you have, you need to look for detergents like cleanser that is adapted to that type of acne. Can be hydrating cleanser, it can be oil cleanser, because if you are suffering from oil, oil is what cleans oil. Hydrating cleanser doesn't clean oil. So if you are having excess oil on your face, that is skin type, you need to go for oil cleanser, that will help you. But if you are suffering from acne, first of all, identify the type of acne that you have, then you go for the cleanser that is adapted to it. But make sure, like on my previous video, I said make sure you stay away from anything that has to do with perfume or alcohol, because they're going to worsen the situation for you. The second thing is for you to look for product that is very hydrating. Hydrating product is something that you need on your routine as someone that is suffering from acne. Make sure that the product you're using, like your face cream, is very hydrating, because it's what helps you. Like I said on my previous video, you don't need anything that is very aggressive. You need something that is natural, something that contains something like herbs like chamomilla and any property. Chamomilla is also very, very helpful. You can use chamomilla cleanser, cleanser, or you can make some chamomilla tea to use it. I talked about that on my previous video. Lavender also helps. So look for a hydrating, something that is very calming to your skin. Cucumber as well. And in the product that contains all this, that is very hydrating for your skin. Don't go for any product that is very harsh and any product that has chemical excess alcohol on it. So hydrating face cream is something that you need to look out for. Okay, so after getting yourself a hydrating moisturizer on your face and your body, because a lot of people suffer from acne, not just for the face, also for their body. After getting yourself a moisturizer, like hydrating moisturizer that will help, protect your skin. What else? Another thing you need is a serum. Any serum that is adapted to your skin type, that is adapted to the kind of acne that you have. Some syrup is not advisable. It depends. If you're having that inflamed acne, you might want to stay away from some active ingredients and use more of hydrating product on your skin. But if your acne have passed the stage, you've passed the stage of that inflamed one, and you're just treating it to, for your skin to come back to normal, serum is very, very advised. And one of the serum that is very, very good, active ingredient that is very, very good, is niacinamide. A product like niacinamide that helps to repair our skin barrier is very, very good. Vitamin C is also very good when it comes to clearing dark spot that is caused by acne. Retinol is also one of the ingredients, one of the active ingredients that is very, very good when it comes to that. So there's a lot of products out there, a lot of brand out there that has very, very nice formula, products that helps to fade out those dark spot that is caused by acne. So you need to look out for that. So But if your acne is still inflamed, you might want to stay away from all of this, because you don't want to worsen the situation by applying active ingredient that worsen it. Okay, so make sure that whenever you apply any product, if the product started to react on your face, know that the product, don't say that the product is trying to, your face is purging or something like that. If you apply anything, know that your skin barrier is still damaged, and you need to stay away from any product that you apply and it starts, you start having that burning sensation on your face. That shows that your skin barrier is damaged and that your skin is still repairing. And niacinamide is one of the key ingredients, one of the products that helps to repair our skin barrier. Niacinamide and peptides. So you might want to go for that. Keep it simple. Make sure that your skincare routine is very, very simple when you are suffering from acne. Don't overload your skin with the different kind of skincare, because you think that if you use more than 5 or how many skincare as internet is recommending, that is going to help you. Know that too much of skincare products on your suffering acne prone skin is going to worsen the situation instead of them to help the situation. So you need to keep your skincare very, very simple. 2 to 3, what you need. One of the things you need actually is cleanser, toner, not exfoliating toner, but hydrating toner. Make sure your cleanser doesn't have anything that has to do with alcohol. Then you need a moisturizer. You need a serum that is adapted to your skin. I need a moisturizer. The serum, make sure that the serum contains peptide or niacinamide, that because vitamin C as well, because they have antioxidants that they help to repair our skin, so also help to fade dark spots. Make sure the serum you're getting contains these things. Okay, so, and the last but not the least thing you need is sunscreen. Sunscreen is one thing that you don't play with if you are suffering from acne, because sunscreen helps to protect your skin from UVA, UVB. Sunscreen is something that will actually do the job for you. Like this summertime, I do advise my clients that comes, and whenever they come, I will do advise them, if you don't want to buy a moisturizer or face cream, make sure you get yourself a sunscreen. Make sure you don't play with your sunscreen, because sunscreen is something that protects our skin. A lot of people look down on sunscreen, not knowing that sunscreen is actually what protects our skin. Sunscreen has a lot of benefits on our skin. Sunscreen helps to protect our skin from bacteria, from smog, from different things, from skin damage, from early premature aging. Sunscreen helps in a lot of ways that a lot of people don't know. So make sure that you have sunscreen on you. Make sure you reapply the sunscreen every 3 to 4 hours. If you are going out without makeup, make sure that you don't lack sunscreen, and make sure that you keep yourself hydrated. Make sure you drink a lot of water. And also, like what I said in one of my videos, is make sure if your diet is something that causes that acne, make sure that you watch what you eat. Change, if you possibly can change your diet, just change it and see what will come. And if the acne persists, go see your dermatologist, go see your doctor for recommendation, because most of the time the medicine we take, change of diet can cause acne, medicine can cause acne, hormone can cause acne, your working environment can cause acne, the environment where you live can cause acne. There is various factors, there is a lot of things that can be the cause of acne that you're suffering. This is the reason why it's very good to identify the type of acne that you have, and it's very good to keep your skincare routine very simple for you not to complicate your life. Make sure that the skincare you're using is not too harsh on your skin, because you're going to worsen. Make sure you're going to worsen the situation. Make sure you're not following every trend that is going on the internet. It's better to keep your skincare routine very minimal, very simple. This is how you see the result, because if you complicate it by using a lot of things, because it worked for one Mrs. A does not mean that it's going to work for you. So it's very, very important that you identify what you're suffering from, the cause of the acne you're suffering from. Okay, so I hope this tip, what these tips I give here is going to help you. I hope you give them a try. This has been helping my clients as well, and I'm sharing what I know that will help you out there. Make sure that your skincare is minimal. Make sure you keep it very, very simple, so you don't complicate your skin. And whenever you apply any product on your skin and this product, like I said, the product, you know, your skin react to the product, know that the product is not good for your skin. Don't persist, don't continue using it. If you use it 1 or 2 3 times and the problem continues, you need to change the product. Don't buy product because everybody is pushing, you know, influencers are pushing a product towards you. You think those products are what will work for you. Don't buy it because they are pushing it to you. Buy it because you know that it's going to work for those that are suffering acne. I'm going to advise you guys, if your product work for you, do not change the product because you saw a video about one influencer talking about, or one person talking about how a product work for them. You change the one that is working for you. Don't be fast to change a product that work for you if you're suffering from acne. So you need to maintain that product that clear acne, that clear, you know, that stop the situation that you're having. So I hope this video helped you. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.